Based on all the research that you do as part of your role, how are consumers perceiving the shift towards virtual? Do you see differences between demographics or parts of your own areas served? How are consumers responding to this sort of dramatic shift, if you will, towards the virtualization of care? Are they ready for it? Do they appreciate it?
I will say that the adoption of those kind of care delivery mechanisms is increasing day by day, right? I think patients and consumers are kind of, because of COVID-19 or the pandemic at this point of time, I think the acceptance of new care delivery venues have definitely increased. I will also say that it is also a mixed bag. There are consumers that can adopt this pretty quickly, and there are consumers who really like to go back to an office setting, right? So, and this is purely consumer preference at this point of time, but percentage of people that have adopted virtual really well and keeping themselves safe by staying out of offices is definitely a very positive percentage from an increased standpoint. And I see that going more and more. And I think it is also letting consumers to shift their preferences as well. So I go back to that example of Apple, right? When Apple brought their phone, nobody knew how to use it. So Apple trained people to use the phone. It's the same, virtual will follow the same path. So people will get trained to use a different delivery mechanism or delivery of care mechanism, which is virtual in this case, and people will get trained more and more. And once they get more and more trained, the acceptance will go high as well, because now they know how to use it. They will become more comfortable with it and also influence other people to adopt as well.
We hope you enjoyed this podcast. We invite you to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, The Healthcare Digital Transformation Leader. Write to us at info@thebigunlock.com with your feedback and questions.